whatever. Okay, so right now, right? So if we go down to like level 0, right? So we've worked past most of the barrier, right? So this is the this is like the raft. This is the support, right? And so we keep working on the support. So we work support, support, support. The red is the actual build, right? And so we keep working that up. And so we've got the chin now, theoretically, right? So that's what we've got way the crap over there. So we've got the chin done, right? And so now we're up and now we're on the 3rd level. And so now we've got all that done. And so according to what we're doing here, we're about like here, right? So we're almost done. We're almost freaking done. We just have to witness this little these wings right here, this part. We just have to witness this happen and then we're done. That's it, right? So that's where we're at right now. We've got the chin. We see the chin done. It's not working on that anymore. It's moved up. It's now on what I assume to be the higher level. And that seems to be okay. And so now we just gotta wait on the wings. So once the wings are done, then, you know, that will be the best for everything, I guess. But until then...